Hi, this is Andrew with Morrisville Renovations. What you see behind me is a new siding installed on a new construction house. It's a CertainTeed siding. The color is flagstone. We just finished installing this job. We installed AZEK corners, if you could see behind me. The windows are Provia windows with the built-in J channels. We have yet to finish this job. We're waiting for to put on the gutter. As you can see behind me, there are no gutters on the house yet. So we're waiting for the contractor to finish the underground piping. After that, we'll go ahead and finish the gutters on this house. So stay tuned. We'll share some more pictures and videos of this project as it evolves. Thanks.